So here are those memory foam tips for the AirPods Pro featured on the previous accessory guide video, which you can go ahead and watch right here on the right hand corner if you want to go ahead and watch that video. But in there I featured these memory foam tips, and now they finally arrived, and after using them day to day, spending quite a bit of time wearing them, these are my thoughts and things you need to know about before picking these things up. Now these retail around $30 price range, and they come available in both black and white, but I recommend to get them in black because over time I fear that the white memory foam will stain over time, and last thing you want to do is have some yellowish looking tips. Just not gonna look good. Now the way this product works and how they were able to successfully attach a third-party ear tip to the AirPods Pro by utilizing that oddly shaped oval design, they rely on this third-party adapter which goes on like so and clicks on exactly the same like your standard silicone tips that Apple provides. But with this, you could take the 3 different size options that's provided in this kit. So these are the same size options that Apple provided with their silicone tips, and you simply just attach them in like so. It has little threads in there so it stays in place once it's fully secure. And to remove them, if you want to remove it without the adapter, you could just wiggle them around until they start loosening up. But what I like to do is just take a cloth or a t-shirt or something grippy where you can actually detach it and remove them like this. But once you have everything attached, you can simply just place them in your ear canal like so. It's really easy. Now after spending quite a bit of time wearing these, they really do enhance the overall experience of the AirPods Pro. With this memory foam tip, this gives you a better isolation seal, and when you combo that with the noise activation, it really does block out the ambient noise around you. So yes, quick answer, they really do work. So if you want that extra seal, then yeah, by all means, get these things. Especially if you always find yourself like at a public place, like at an airport, public transportation, like a public bus, and you just want to zone everything out without carrying big over-the-ear headphones on you. Yeah, get these. But there's a couple things you definitely do need to take into consideration before purchasing them. For one thing, when you're done listening to them, if you place them back in the case, they are very bulky, which means when you close the lid, it doesn't close like they did when you had the silicone tips. So it requires a little bit of pressure, because since it is memory foam, it will adapt and it will still allow the case to fully shut. So there isn't any fitting issues, it's just it doesn't shut properly like how it used to. But if you're using the smaller silicone tips, there's no issues, but if you're using the larger ones, you may have noticed it requires a little bit more force to fully shut the case. But other than that, I mean, it will still hold into place securely, so your AirPods are not going to fall off or anything like that. That will cause the lid to open up. Now this clear box was included with this kit, and what's provided was a third adapter in case, I guess, one of the two break or you lose it. So you have an extra one in case something happens to that one. But after wearing them, I mean, my overall experience with these things have been positive. Once equipped, I mean, training with them, I noticed they're more secure. So if you're doing a lot of active movement, since they are memory foam, they stay in very secure. A lot more secure than the silicone tips that they originally came in. Like, there's less times I'm actually having to readjust them after doing jumping jacks or something. And if you're worried about ear fatigue or any other discomfort, I haven't experienced any of that, even after wearing them for 1 or 2 hours straight. So they're really comfortable. So besides that fitting issue with the case, I mean, these things are a must-have, especially if you want to get the most isolation seal as much as possible. These are a must-have. So there we have it. I'll be sure to link these memory foam tips in the video description down below for you guys. Again, they are available in 2 color options, but my recommendation is just go with the color black. They're not going to stain. But again, if you want to watch that AirPod Pro accessory guide video, if you're curious on what kind of accessories I have on my current AirPods Pro, you can go ahead and click on that video right here. Go ahead and watch that. And then this video over here, that's a video that YouTube is recommending specifically for you. Their algorithm believes you're gonna like it. Give it a shot if you want to, and let me know in the comments if YouTube was right. Anyway, folks, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.